How to activate Joker MasterCard Online. Hi guys, welcome to our Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Joker MasterCard Online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Joker MasterCard. Now click on the very first website. Once you click on this web page, you want to click on the Register Card option. Now here you have two tabs. If you want to check balance or transactions, go ahead and enter your prepaid card number here. Then enter the expiration date and CVV number and click on the Submit option. To register or activate your card, click on the Register Card option. Now you want to enter your card number on the first box. Then enter your expiration date of the card and then enter the 3-digit code, which is the CVV number. Now click on the Register Card option. Follow the on-screen prompts and then your Joker MasterCard will be successfully activated. Once it has been activated, you will receive a notification via SMS or email. Then you can start using your Joker MasterCard. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.